Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So today we don't have any review over here, but I've actually got some amazing makeup tips for you all for this summer, so that every time you step out you have that shine without that full face on. So yeah, let's get started with this video. We tend to perspire and sweat more in summer, so you may not need as much hydration as normal. You can totally skip your heavy primer and go for a tinted lightweight water-based moisturizer. Just cleanse your face with a mild cleanser and apply an oil-free SPF, and then go for your tinted lightweight moisturizer. You can also use blotting liquid. It instantly absorbs excess oil from your face and visibly minimizes the appearance of your pores, and the formula is liquid, so it's super refreshing. So yeah, blotting liquid is also an excellent choice. Swap your foundation with a BB cream, that is a beauty balm or a blemish balm. You don't have to wear a heavy foundation, or even if you have to go for a foundation, opt for a water based one and not the moisturizing one, because the moisturizing one may slide in the heat. So yeah, look for that water based foundation if you have to wear a foundation. Other than that, BB creams are great. It is lightweight, it offers long lasting sheer coverage, it is buildable, plus the natural finish. Oh my god, it's ideal for a no makeup look. Also, you can opt for a CC cream, which is more lighter than the BB one, but it is actually kind of a BB cream with an added benefit of a concealer. So it offers more coverage, and the finish is more towards the semi matte side, while the BB cream will offer you a dewy and luminous finish. Creams and gel tends to sink into the skin instead of sitting on the top like a powder. So when humidity spikes, powder cake up and do that weird crumbling thing on the skin, which absolutely look weird and nobody wants that. So if you are on the drier side, definitely go for your creme blush. But if you tend to be oily and a creme blush makes you greased out, you can actually use cheek stains or cheek tints available out there in the market. That will do a great job. Also, if you try to overdo with your powder blush, you would end up looking cakey or very streaky, whereas the creme blush are more easy to apply, easy to blend. So even if you do the excess, it's always easy to remove that. Now I know how much do we love mascaras, and even our favorite mascara gets clumpy at times, but constant usage of mascara can lead to inflammation and also loss of eyelashes. So you can try swiping your mascara for a natural eyelash enhancer or a good pair of eyelash curlers, as it would give the same effect as your mascara would. So yeah, you can try that. Avoid baking, because if you're not wearing a heavy makeup, there's no need to bake anything, right? So you can actually use your compact to lightly set your makeup, and yeah, that's it. Now the lipstick. Matte lipstick don't look good when smudged outside the line, and the lip glosses, they are worse if they have that stickiness to it. They are even worse. So what to do? You can actually use lip oils or tinted lip oils available in the market, which are easy to apply and they don't have that sticky effect to it. So yeah, go for those tinted lip oils. Go for brighter shades on your eyes to make them pop, or you can actually try glossy lids as well, and skip those regular smoky eyes, because yeah, summers is all about colors, right? So you can go as vivid as you want. Just don't forget to neutralize your lips, because if you are going bright on your eyes, you have to go for softer shades on your lips. So don't forget to maintain that balance. Last but not the least, don't forget to look for the SPF label while you are purchasing any makeup product, because like your skincare, your makeup also needs to have that SPF. So look for that label. So guys, those were a few tips. I hope you liked it. Although there are no rules to makeup, you can actually use anything, any season. Just don't forget to know your skin, know your skin type, and what works best for you. That you have to figure yourself, right? So yeah, that's it. I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Until then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye, take care.